Hey guys, it's me Phil. How are we doing? Hope you're having a good day. I've not fed the pigeons for a while. It's been at least 5 days. I don't like to feed them too much because they're getting a little bit fat. And I realised I'd not done a pigeon vlog or a bird feeding vlog for absolutely ages. So I'm going to do one now, but I'm going to do it in a slightly different way. More later. What we've got is the usual stuff. I've got 3 trays full of a mix of sunflower hearts, suet pellets, sunflower seed and dried mealworms, and a coconut shell filled with like a suet mix again, like a fat bally mix kind of thing. They've already been crushed up. They're mixed together. So yeah, let's take this outside and we'll get the feeders filled. As you can see, I'm doing it a little bit different today. Gone hands-free. Oh, there's still a little bit in there. Oh, sounds like Becky's got the dogs out. We'll put a new one in anyway. So, put them down. Fill. Oh, that's gone totally wrong. Here we go. Pigeons are getting brave. Let's get these filled up. Alright guys, as you can see, I've redesigned the bird feeder. There used to be a tray on there where I used to tip in the feed, but I took that down as it was getting a bit wet during winter. Oh, that's gone totally wrong. One mate. So that's that done there, that's that done there. Right, what we shall do now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that there because they will actually feed out of that. Go on then. Still some on the roof. See if I can move around a bit without disturbing them. No. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and... So what, direct to the hands-free version then? You think it's all right? So yeah, we've got all the feeders filled up. Got more pigeons coming in. They absolutely go ballistic for this. There's the beauty. The white one. And a bit later on at some point, you'll probably get all the little birds coming in for the hanging feeders. But yeah, the pigeons love this. I think I should have actually spread it out a little bit more. Right, let's go watch from inside. So they are spread out a little bit now. Oh, some of them are trying to get to the fat balls. It is actually meant to be pigeon proof that, but hey, you know, they'll try anything for a feed. They really don't like that the top bit has gone. Like I said, it used to fill up with water. I mean, it's not going to be too bad at the moment. But yeah, I just had a redesign, put a couple of hanging feeders up. Oh, we've got a little starling. There we go, here they all come. They love it. The peanuts aren't going down very well. I think I need a different feeder. I'll have to look into getting a wire one. There they go. They'll be back. There you go. Starlings are turning up, and here the pigeons. Yeah, the little birds, mainly starlings, they're really going for it today. I think because I haven't fed them for a few days, you know, they're really enjoying it. What are the pigeons doing? Oh, the pigeons are hanging around the bottom because sometimes when the starlings eat from the what I call a spaceship, they drop seed on the floor. So yeah, nice to see the birds getting the feed. My neighbours must love me. Loads of birds. What do you think, guys? Should I feed them more often? Leave me a comment down below. They'll be back. You can see on the fence, there's a magpie. Hi, Mr. Magpie, have a nice day. Probably will when you find that feed down there. It's nearly all gone off the floor. That's probably why they're all on the table. We've got starlings up in the top of the tree over there. But yeah, the pigeons do seem to be a bit bullyish sometimes towards the smaller birds. But yeah, they're feasting away. This is one reason why I changed it as well, because the pigeons was overtaking the smaller birds sometimes. And you know, I just thought it wasn't very fair. But yeah, they're really going to town on that, look. It's fun to watch. Ah, look at them. Absolutely living the dream. Thanks for watching, guys.